Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right when it comes to manifesting, but your dreams still aren't coming true? It's frustrating, right? You visualize, you say your affirmations, you try to stay positive, yet nothing seems to happen. You're not alone, and I've been there too. Today, I'm going to break down why your manifestation might not be working, and more importantly, what you can do to turn things around. The first reason your manifestation isn't working is a lack of clarity. Think about it. If you're not crystal clear about what you want, how can the universe deliver it? Saying, I want to be happy or I want more money is too vague. Here's the fix. Get specific. Instead of saying, I want more money, try this. I want to earn $5,000 more per month doing work I love. Clarity focuses your energy like a laser, and that focus is key to manifestation. The second reason is impatience, wanting your results now. Look, I get it. Waiting can feel unbearable, especially when you're excited about your dreams. But when you obsess over when or how it's going to happen, you create resistance. That resistance blocks the flow. Instead, trust the timing of the universe. I like to say, it's not about your schedule, it's about alignment. Focus on the process and let the results unfold naturally. The third reason is that your energy might not match what you're trying to attract. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about feeling. Are you trying to manifest abundance but feeling stressed about money? Are you dreaming of love but doubting you're worthy of it? Here's the key. Your energy must align with your desires. Start practicing gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude raises your vibration and brings you into alignment with abundance. So how do you fix this? Here's a quick action plan. Clarify exactly what you want. Write it down in detail. Trust the process. Stop obsessing over how and when it will happen. Align your energy by practicing gratitude and focusing on the emotions you'll feel when your desires come true. When you combine clarity, trust, and aligned energy, you'll start to see shifts. Manifestation is less about forcing things to happen and more about creating the right conditions for them to flow to you. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments what step you're going to focus on first. And remember, manifestation is a journey. It's about growth, trust, and stepping into your best self. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on manifestation and creating the life you dream of. And click the link below this video for more help with manifesting.